All right, so welcome back to Whitehouse Farm. What we're doing today, we're doing a quick video on how to install the string for your 20 volt Dewalt weed whacker. So let's get into it, and my wife's going to show you how.
Okay. You need scissors and something like a nail or this small screwdriver. That's what you'll need. And to open it, there's two sides. You just want to pinch them together. If you need to, you can use something to press it in, but it pops off easy. And then inside here, there's a little hole at the base that goes with this little hole here. And that's just going to sit in there and make it easy for you to wind.
And what does this do?
This just sits here so that when you wind it, this turns and not the whole base.
Okay. So if you want to take the base off and put a whole nother head on or whatever, that's how you would do that. The whole thing screws right off. What are you doing now?
Cutting about 8 feet of wire for this. There we go. And then we're gonna feed it through the silver holes through the center. You gotta kind of feed it through. You'll find a hole in the middle there. And then you just...
Yeah, so it's gonna go on right there.
Work it through. It's coming out over here. Just guide it. There we go. And then you're gonna pull it through and pull your ends together as evenly as you can get them. So there we go. And then you want to hold a little bit of pressure on it so that it winds nice and tightly, and you want to turn it clockwise. Takes a little bit of pressure to turn it. Okay. And then the excess will trim itself when you turn it on and fire it up. Take that out and then just line these back up. Pop them right back into place. Both in. When you turn it on, it'll trim it and be ready to go.
All right, seems pretty simple.
Okay, so fire it up, it'll trim. It trims the ends to the proper length.
All right, and you can see it cut off the excess pieces, so now it's at the right size there. So now you're ready to start weed whacking.
Simple as that.
All right, so there you go. That's how you install your new string on your Dewalt 20 volt weed whacker. So once again, we hope you guys like,
subscribe,
enjoy,
and ring that notification.
There we go. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye guys.
Can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo.
Bye, guys.